Hello students, 6th chapter mean and RMS values, important formulae. So the first formula, mean value equals to 1 by b minus a integration a to b y dx is a mean value formula. Here b must be greater than the a. Next, second formula, mean square value. So in the shortcut, m dot s dot v equals to 1 by b minus a integration a to b f of x whole square dx. Next, third formula, root mean square value, that is RMS value. So it is under root of MSV, that means mean square value. So it is equals to under root 1 by b minus a integration a to b f of x whole square dx. So these are the three important formulae in this chapter. Let's start the exercise problems. So the first bit is finding the mean value. First question is find the mean value of y equals to x square between x equals to 2 and x equals to 3. So here y equals to x square is a function and that is curve, and x equals to 2 is a and x equals to 3 is b, that means limits. So what is asking, find the mean value. So the mean value, the formula is 1 by b minus a integration a to b y dx. So it is equals to 1 by b value 3 and a value 2 integration 2 to 3, and here y means the given curve is x square whole dx. So 1 by 3 minus 2 is 1 integration 2 to 3, and here what is the integration of x square, that is x cube by 3, and the limits are 2 to 3. Next, substitute the upper and lower limit. 1 by 1 is 1, and here upper limit is 3 cube by 2 minus 2 cube by 3, here 3. Then it is equals to 27 by 3 minus 2 cube 8 by 3, and here denominators are same. Then subtract the numerators. 27 minus 8 is 19 by 3 is a required answer. Next, second question, the y equals to x cube plus x over the interval 0 comma 1. So here the mean value formula is 1 by b minus a integration a to b y dx. So it is equals to 1 by, here b value is 1 and a value is 0. So 1 minus 0 integration 0 to 1, and the y, the given function is x cube plus x whole dx. 1 by 1 minus 0 is 1 by 1, and integration of x cube is x to the power of 4 by 4, and integration of x is x square by 2, 0 to 1. Now substitute the limits. So here 1 to the power of 4 by 4 plus 1 square divided by 2 minus, here take the bracket, 0 to the power of 4 by 4 plus 0 square divided by 2. So then it is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 0 by 4 is 0, 0. Here LCM 4, 1 plus 3 by 4 is our required answer. Next, third question, y equals to x square minus 3x plus 2, and the limits are x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. The mean value formula 1 by b minus a integration a to b y dx. So 1 by b value is 2 and a value is 1 integration 1 to 2 y value x square minus 3x plus 2 whole dx. So it is equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1, and integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus 3x square by 2 plus 2x, and the limits are 1 to 2. Substitute the upper and lower limit. 2 cube by 3 minus 3 into 2 square by 2 plus 2 into 2. Next to minus, substitute the lower limit. 1 cube by 3 plus minus 3 into 1 square by 2 plus 2 into 1. It is equals to 2 cube 8 by 3 minus 2 square 4. 4 by 2 answer is 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Next minus 1 by 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 2. So it is equals to 8 by 3 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2 minus 2. So 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2 minus 2 is minus 4. So 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 7 by 3 plus 3 by 2 minus 4. Now the LCM 3 comma 2 LCM 6. 7 2s are 14, 3 3s are 9, minus 6 4s are 24. So then it is equals to 14 plus 9 is 23 minus 24 by 6. So it is equals to minus 1 by 6 is our required answer. Fourth question, y square equals to 4x from x equals 0 to x equals to 4. Here 0 is a and 4 is a b, and the given function is y square equals to 4x. So in the formula, b value 4 and a value 0, integration 0 to 4, it is a y dx, but in the question we have a y square equals to 4x. So y square equals to 4x, then y equals to under root 4x and square root of 4 into square root of x, y equals to 2 and x to the power of 1 by 2. So 2 into x to the power of 1 by 2 whole dx. So it is equals to 1 by 4 and 2 is a constant. So right before integration 0 to 4 x to the power of 1 by 2 dx. Here 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then it is equals to 1 by 2 and integration of x to the power of 1 by 2 is x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1, and the limits are 0 to 4. So 1 by 2 integration x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 0 to 4. So 1 by 2 integration 2 by 3 is a constant, okay, because here 3 by 2 is there, it will become reverse 2 by 3 and x to the power of 3 by 2 whole to the power of from 0 to 4. Here 2 2 cancel, 1 by 3, so 4 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 0 to the power of 3 by 2. So it is equals to 1 by 3. So 4 can write as a 2 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 0 to the power of 3 by 2 is 0. So it is equals to 1 by 3. Here a to the power of m whole to the power of n equals to a to the power of m into n. So 2 into 3 by 2 minus 0. Here 2 2 cancel, 1 by 3 into 2 cube. So 2 cube answer is how much? 8. So final answer is 8 by 3 is our required answer. Fifth question, y square equals to 8x from 0 to 3. So the mean value formula 1 by b minus a to b y dx. So it is equals to 1 by b minus 1 by b value is 3 and a value is 0, 0 to 3. So actually y square equals to 8x. So from this y equals to under root 8x. So then y equals to 2 root 2 into x to the power of 1 by 2. So 2 root 2 into x to the power of 1 by 2 dx. So 1 by 3 into 2 root 2 into x to the power of 1 by 2 dx, 0 to 3. So it is equals to 2 root 2 by 3, and here integration of x to the power of 1 by 2 is x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 0 to 3. So 2 root 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 will become reverse 2 by 3, x to the power of 3 by 2 from 0 to 3. So here 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 into root 2, and substitute the upper limit 3 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 0 to the power of 3 by 2. So it is equals to 4 by 9 into root 2, 3 to the power of 3 by 2, and 0 to the power of 3 by 2 is 0. So it is equals to 4 root 2 divided by, here 9 can write as a 3 square into 3 to the power of 3 by 2. Here a to the power of m by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m minus n. Okay, let us apply this formula. So it is equals to 4 root 2 into 3 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2. So 4 root 2 into 3 to the power of, here 2 is LCM, 3 minus 2 2s are 4. So 4 root 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1 by 2. 4 root 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 3 to the power of 1 by 2. So then final answer is 4 root 2 by 3 to the power of 1 by 2 means it is a square root of 3. So this is our required answer. Sixth question, y square equals to 1 by x from x equals to 1 to x equals to 3. So let's substitute the values in the formula. Here b value 3 and a value 1. So integration 1 to 3 y means actually y square equals to 1 by x. So then y equals to under root 1 by x. Then y equals to root 1 by root x. So it is equals to 1 by root x. So 1 by root x can write as a 1 by x to the power of 1 by 2 and x to the power of minus 1 by 2. So here x to the power of minus 1 by 2 dx. So 1 by 3 minus 1 2, and here integration of x to the power of minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 2 3. So it is equals to 1 by 2 integration x to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is plus 1 by 2 by plus 1 by 2, 1 2 3. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will become reverse 2 by 1 into x to the power of 1 by 2, 1 2 3. Here 2 2 cancel, 1 into 3 to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 to the power of 1 by 2. So 3 to the power of 1 by 2 means root 3 and 1 to the power of 1 by 2 is 1. So this is our required answer. Second question, find the mean value of x into a minus x over the range 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to a. So here 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to a, that means the limits are 0 to a. So the mean value formula 1 by b minus a integration a to b y dx. So integrate 1 by b minus a means here b and a both are called limits. So the limits are a minus 0 integration 0 to a, and here y value, y means the given curve, that is x into a minus x dx. So it is equals to 1 by a minus 0 is a integration 0 to a, x multiply inside ax minus x square dx. Now it is equals to 1 by a integration of ax is a into x square by 2 minus x cube by 3, 0 to a. So it is equals to 1 by a. Substitute the upper limit a into a square by 2 minus a cube by 3 minus next lower limit a into 0 square by 2 minus 0 cube by 3. So it is equals to 1 by a into here a cube by 2 minus a cube by 3 minus here total 0. Now 1 by a into LCM 2 comma 3 LCM 6. So 3a cube minus 2a cube. Then it is equals to 1 by a into 3a cube by minus 2a cube means is just a cube by 6. So here 1a will get cancelled, then a square by 6 is our required answer. Third question, find the mean value of y equals to x square minus 4x plus 3 between the values of x where the expression vanishes. So here actually the limits are not given in this question. So that is why let us find the limits by solving this given quadratic equation. So let y equals to 0. So then x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. So here x square minus 4x can write as a minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals 0. From these two take the x common, x minus 3 minus 1 common, x minus 3. So then x minus 3 common into x minus 1 equals 0. Then x minus 3 equals 0, x minus 1 equals 0. Then here x equals to 3 and here x equals to 1. So the limits are 1 and 3. Now the mean value formula is 1 by b minus a integration a to b y dx. So b value 3 and a value 1, integration 1 to 3. Y means x square minus 4x plus 3 whole dx. 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2 and integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus 4 into x square by 2 plus 3x, and the limits are 1 to 3. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are. So then it is equals to 1 by 2 integration x cube by 3 minus 2x square plus 3x, and the limits are 1 to 3. Now substitute the upper and lower limits. So it is equals to 1 by 2 bracket of 3 cube by 3. So actually 3 cube by 3 means 1 3 will get cancelled, 3 square will come. 3 square answer is 9 minus 3 square 9, 9 2s are 18 plus 3 3s are 9 minus here 1 cube by 3 is 1 by 3, minus into minus plus 2 into 1 square 2, minus into plus minus minus 3. Then it is equals to 1 by 2, 9 plus 9 18, 18 minus 18 minus 1 by 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 18 minus 18 cancel. So then it is equals to 1 by 2 bracket of here 3 is a LCM, minus 1 minus 3. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 by 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So answer is minus 2 by 3. Fourth question, find the mean value of the following functions on the given intervals. F of t equals to sine square 2t on 0 to pi, closed bracket 0 to pi. So here the mean value formula is 1 by b minus a divided into integration a to b y dx. So here b value is pi and a value is 0. Integration 0 to pi y dx. Y dx means the given function, that is sine square 2t. Actually the function defined in the variable t, so then dt will come here. So 1 by pi minus 0 is a pi, integration 0 to pi, a sine square 2t. So actually cos 2 theta formula 1 minus 2 sine square theta. From this 2 sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Then sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. But here substitute theta equals to 2t. So then sine square 2t equals to 1 minus cos 2 bracket of 2t divided by 2. So then 1 minus cos 2 of 2t is 4t divided by 2 whole dt. So it is equals to 1 by pi, integrate here 1 by 2 is a constant, so write a side, integration 0 to pi, so 1 minus cos 4t whole dt. So 1 by 2 pi integration of 1 is t, and integration of cos 4t is sin 4t divided by 4, and the limits are 0 to pi. Now let's substitute the upper and lower limits. So pi minus sin 4 pi by 4 minus bracket of 0 minus sin 4 into 0 by 4. So it is equals to 1 by 2 pi minus sin 4 pi value is 0 by 4 minus 0 minus sin 4 into 0 is sin 0 value 0 by 4. So the final answer is it is equals to 1 by 2 pi, and this total answer is pi. Then pi cancel, 1 by 2 is our required answer. Next B question, f of t equals to cos square t, and the interval is closed bracket 0 to pi. So 1 by b minus a integration a to b y dx. So 1 by b value pi and a value is 0, integration 0 to pi, and the y means cos square t dt. So here cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1, then cos 2 theta plus 1 equals to 2 cos square theta. Cos 2 theta plus 1 divided by 2 equals to cos square theta. So then 1 by pi integration 0 to pi, cos square t can write as a cos 2t plus 1 by 2 whole dt. So now it is equals to 1 by pi. Here 1 by 2 is a constant, integration 0 to pi cos 2t plus 1 dt. So 1 by 2 pi integration of cos 2t is sin 2t by 2 plus t 0 to pi. So 1 by 2 pi, here substitute the upper limit, sin 2 pi by 2 plus pi minus sin 2 into 0 by 2 plus 0. So it is equals to 1 by 2 pi. So sin 2 pi by 2, sin 2 pi value is 0 divided by 2 plus pi minus sin 2 into 0 is sin 0 value is 0 by 2 minus 0. So then it is equals to 1 by 2 pi. Here answer is pi. Here pi cancel, 1 by 2 is our required answer. Here the second one is f of x equals to log x, and the interval is 1 to e. So mean value formula is, so here b value is e and a value 1, integration 1 to e. So y means the given function, that is log x dx. So 1 by e minus 1, here integration of 1 to e, log x, integration of log x means log x can write as a 1 into log x dx. Here we have to use a u into v formula, but before using the u into v formula, whether the 1 and log x are in the correct order or not, let us verify. That is ILATE rule. As for the ILATE rule, here 1 is a algebraic function, log x is a logarithmic function. See here, logarithm function first, algebraic function second. So that means here integration of 1 log x, write log x into 1. Now it is in the correct order. So now the formula is, what is the formula? Integration u into v dx equals to u into integration v dx minus integration u dash integration v dx whole dx. So here u is log x and v is 1. So let us apply this formula. 1 by e minus 1. Here what is the u value? Log x is a u value. Integration 1 dx minus integration u dash. U dash means derivative of log x. So d by dx of log x, integration 1 dx and whole dx, and the limits are 1 to e. So it is equals to 1 by e minus 1 log x into integration of 1 dx is x minus integration derivative of log x is 1 by x and integration of 1 dx is x. Next to whole dx 1 to e. So it is equals to 1 by e minus 1 log x into x is x into log x minus here x cancel, integration of 1 dx is x 1 to e. Now substitute the upper limit e into log e minus e minus 1 into log 1 minus 1. So 1 by e minus 1 e into log e. Actually here logarithm base is e minus e. So minus e minus 1 into log 1 value is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Minus of minus plus 1. So it is equals to 1 by e minus 1 e into log e base e answer is 1. So e minus e plus 1 plus e minus e cancel, then 1 by e minus 1 is our required answer. Third question, f of x equals to sine cube x on interval from 0 to 2 pi. So the mean value formula is 1 by b minus a integration a to b y dx. So it is equals to 1 by b value 2 pi minus a value 0, 0 to 2 pi y dx. That means the given function sine cube x dx. But actually sine 3x formula is 3 sin x minus 4 sine cube x. So it is equals to 4 sine cube x equals to 3 sin x minus sine 3x. Then sine cube x equals to 1 by 4 bracket of 3 sin x minus sine 3x. So 1 by 2 pi minus 0 is 2 pi, integration 0 to 2 pi. Sine cube x is 1 by 4 bracket of 3 sin x minus sine 3x dx. So then it is equals to 1 by 2 pi, integration here 1 by 4 is a constant, and the integration of 3 sin x is 3 into minus cos x minus sin 3x, integration is minus cos 3x divided by 3, and the limits are 0 to 2 pi. So it is equals to 1 by 4 to the 8 pi and minus 3 cos x. So minus into minus plus cos 3x divided by 3, 0 to 2 pi. So 1 by 8 pi. So here cos 3x by 3, first positive value, next to negative value, 3 cos x 0 to 2 pi. So 1 by 8 pi cos 3 into 2 pi by 3 minus 3 into cos 2 pi. Next to minus, take the bracket, cos 3 into 0 by 3 minus 3 into cos 0. It is equals to 1 by 8 pi cos 3 to the 6 pi by 3 minus 3 into cos 2 pi minus cos 3 into 0 is cos 0 by 3 minus into minus plus 3 into cos 0. So it is equals to 1 by 8 pi. Cos 6 pi value is 1 divided by 3 minus 3 into cos 2 pi value is 1 minus cos 0 is 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1. So it is equals to 1 by 8 pi 1 by 3 minus 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 3 plus 3 cancel. So 1 by 8 pi into 0 is 0. Fourth one, f of x equals to x into e power x on 0 to 1. So mean value equals to 1 by b minus a integration a to b y dx. So 1 by 1 minus 0 integration 0 to 1. So y means x into e power x dx. So 1 by 1 minus 0 is 1. Here we have to use the u into v formula. But before that, let us verify with ILA-TE rule. Here x is an algebraic function, e power x is a exponential function. So see here, algebra first, exponential second. So the order is correct order. So we can proceed the u into v formula, that is u into integration v dx minus integration u dash into integration v dx whole dx. So here u value is x and v value is e power x. So let us use this formula. X integration e power x dx minus integration u dash means derivative of x minus e power x dx. Next to here whole dx. So then it is equals to here the limits are 0 to 1. So x into integration of e power x is e power x minus integration of x is 1 into e power x dx 0 to 1. So it is equals to x into e power x minus integration of e power x is e power x 0 to 1. Now substitute the upper limit. So 1 into e power 1 minus e power 1 minus 0 into e power 0 minus e power 0. Then it is equals to 1 into e power 1 e minus 0 into e power 0 is 0 minus into minus plus e power 0 is 1. So plus e minus e cancel. So the answer is 1. Find the mean value of x square into e power x from x equals to 1 to x equals to 3. So it is equals to 1 by b value 3 and a value 1 integration 1 to 3. So y means x square into e power x dx. So it is equals to 1 by 3 minus 1 2. Here apply the Bernoulli's rule. So the Bernoulli's rule is integration of u into v dx equals to u into v minus u dash into v1 plus u double dash into v2 minus u triple dash into v3 plus dash. This is a Bernoulli's rule. So it is equals to, first u means x square and v means e power x minus u dash. U dash means derivative of a x square. v1 means integration of e power x plus u double dash d square by dx square x square, d square x square by second order derivative. Next do one thing, let us find out the first here 1 by 2 integration 1 to 3 x square into e power x dx. First u equals to x square, u dash equals to 2x, because derivative of x to the power of n equals to n into x to the power of n minus 1. U double dash equals to 2. Next, if you are doing the third order derivative, you will get the 0 answer. So that is why only 2 order derivative is enough. Next to v equals to e power x, v1 equals to integration of e power x dx. So it is e power x. v2 means integration of v1 dx, that is e power x dx. So it is e power x. See, actually we are going to stop the Bernoulli's rule for u double dash. So v2 is enough. Now apply the Bernoulli's rule. 1 by 2 integration 1 to 3 x square e power x dx is equals to 1 by 2 bracket of u into v x square into e power x minus u dash into v1, that is 2x into e power x plus u double dash into v2, 2 into e power x. The limits are 1 to 3. It is equals to 1 by 2. Apply the here e power x, substitute the upper limit, 3 square into e power 3 minus 2 into 3 into e power 3 plus 2 into e power 3 minus, next to lower limit, 1 square into e power 1 minus 2 into 1 into e power 1 plus 2 into e power 1. Then it is equals to 1 by 2, 3 square 9 e cube minus 2 3s are 6 e cube plus 2 into e cube minus 1 square into e power 1 is e, minus into minus plus 2 into e, minus into plus is minus 2 into e. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into 9 e cube minus 6 e cube is 3 e cube, 3 e cube plus 2 e cube is total 5 e cube. Next plus 2e minus 2e cancel, minus e. So here we can take the e common, so e by 2 bracket of 5e square minus 1. This is our required answer. Sixth question, if the mean value of sin x plus k into sin 2x in the range x equals 0 to x equals to pi by 2 is 0, then what is the value of k? See, here the mean value of the given function is 0, then what is the value of k is asking. Given that mean value is 0, the mean value means 1 by b minus a integration a to b y dx equals to 0, 1 by b value pi by 2 minus a value 0, so 0 to pi by 2 y means sin x plus k into sin 2x equals to 0. So 1 by pi by 2, here integration of sin x is minus cos x plus k into integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2, it is equals to 0, and the limits are 0 to pi by 2. Now 1 by pi by 2 is 2 by pi, and here minus cos x, next to plus into minus, minus k by 2 into cos 2x, 0 to pi by 2 equals to 0. Now 2 by pi, substitute the upper limit, minus cos pi by 2 minus k by 2 into cos 2 into pi by 2, next lower limit, minus cos 0 minus k by 2 into cos 2 into 0, so it is equals to 0. 2 by pi minus cos pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 degrees. So cos 90 is 0 minus k by 2 into, here 2 cancel, cos pi minus bracket of minus cos 0 value 1 minus k by 2 into cos 2 pi. Sorry, cos 2 into 0 is cos 0. It is equals to 0. So 2 by pi minus 0, here minus k by 2, cos pi value is, so it is minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 minus of minus plus k by 2 into cos 0 value 1, so it is equals to 0. So 2 by pi minus of minus plus k by 2 plus 1 plus k by 2 equals to 0. Here k by 2 plus k by 2 k here, otherwise let's take the LCM. K plus 2 plus k, 0 into pi by 2. This 2 by pi will go to right side, it will multiply, and the fraction will become reverse. K plus k, 2k plus 2 by 2 equals to 0. 2k plus 2 equals to 0 into 2, 0 into 2. Then 2k plus 2 equals to 0. 2k equals to minus 2, k equals to minus 2 by 2, k equals to minus 1. So this is our required answer. Next, second bit, the root mean square value. Seventh question, find the mean value and RMS value of y equals to x square plus 2 over the range 0 to 2. So in this formula, 1 by b value is 2 and a value is 0, integration 0 to 2 y dx, so that is x square plus 2 dx. So 1 by 2 minus 0 is a 2, and integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus 2x, 0 to 2. Substitute the upper and lower limits, so it is equals to 1 by 2. So it is equals to 1 by 2 bracket of 2 cube 8 by 3, 2 2s are 4 minus 0 minus 0. So 1 by 2, here 3 is LCM, 8 plus 3 4s are 12, 8 plus 12 is 20 by 3 into 1 by 2, 2 1s are 2 10s are 10 by 3 is a mean value. So next to find out the mean square value. So the formula is 1 by b minus a integration a to b y square dx. So 1 by b value 2 minus 0 integration 0 to 2 y square dx. Y value x square plus 2, so x square plus 2 whole square dx. So it is equals to 1 by 2 integration 0 to 2, here a plus b whole square formula, x square whole square plus 2 square plus 2 into x square into 2. So it is equals to 1 by 2 integration 0 to 2 x to the power of 4 plus 2 square is 4, 2 2s are 4x square whole dx. So next it is equals to 1 by 2 integration of x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 5 by 5 plus 4x plus 4x square, 4 into x cube by 3, 0 to 2. So 1 by 2, substitute the upper and lower limits. So 2 to the power of 5 is 32 by 5 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 2 cube is 8, 8 4s are 32 by 3 and this total answer is 0. So it is equals to 1 by 2. Here 5 comma 3 LCM 15. 3 into 32. 3 to the 6, 3 3 is 9 plus 15 into 8. So is 120 plus 32 into 5. 5 to the 10. 160. So then it is equals to 1 by 2. Here 96 plus 120 plus 160. 120 plus 160. 280 plus 96. 376 divided by 15. So here 2 ones are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So 188 by 15. Now RMS, root mean square value. RMS equals to under root MSV. So that is under root 188 by 15. So its a decimal answer is 3.54. Eighth question, find the RMS value of a cos x from x equals 0 to x equals to pi. So to find out the RMS value, first find out the MSV value, mean square value. So the formula is 1 by b minus a integration a to b y square dx. So 1 by b minus a, b value is pi minus a value is 0, integration 0 to pi y square means the given function a cos x, so it's a square cos square x. So 1 by pi minus 0 is a pi. Now integration 0 to pi cos square x means cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x minus 1. From this cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2 equals to cos square x. So here cos 2x plus 1 by 2 whole dx. Now it is equals to 1 by pi. Here denominator is 2, so 1 by 2 constant. Integration 0 to pi cos 2x plus 1 into dx. So 1 by 2 pi, integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2 plus x 0 to pi. So 1 by 2 pi, here substitute the upper limit 2 into pi by 2 plus pi minus lower limit 2 into 0 by 2 plus 0. It is equals to 1 by 2 pi. Sin 2 pi value is 0 divided by 2 plus pi minus sin 2 into 0 is sin 0 value 0 divided by 2 minus 0. It is equals to 1 by 2 pi, and its overall answer is pi. Yeah, pi cancel 1 by 2. Now we need a RMS value, root mean square value, that is square root of MSV. So square root of MSV value 1 by 2. So 1 by root 2 is our required answer. Ninth question, first one, find the RMS value of under root 8 minus 4x square between x equals 0 and x equals to 2. Let's find out the MSV value first of all, that is 1 by b minus a integration a to b y square dx. So it is equals to 1 by b value 2 and a value is 0, integration 0 to 2. This is y value, but here y square is there, so under root 8 minus 4x square whole square dx. Then square root cancel, 1 by 2 integration 0 to 2 8 minus 4x square dx. Now it is equals to 1 by 2. Integration of 8 is 8x minus 4 into integration of x square is x cube by 3, 0 to 2. Now substitute the upper and lower limits. So it is equals to 1 by 2 bracket of 8 to the 16, 2 cube is 8, 8 for the 32 by 3 minus is a total 0. So 1 by 2, 3 is LCM, 16 3 is a 48 minus 32. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into 48 minus 32 is 16 by 3, 2 ones are 2 8s is 8 by 3. So this is MSV value. Now we required RMS value. So RMS is equals to under root MSV value, MSV. So under root MSV value 8 by 3. Apply the root for 8 and for root 3. Then here 2 root 2 divided by 3 is our required answer. B question, find the RMS value of under root 8 minus 4x square between x equals 0 and x equals to 3. First find out the MSV value, that is mean square value. So here 1 by 3 minus 0 integration 0 to 3 y square, that is under root 8 minus 4x square whole square is d into dx. So square root cancel, 1 by 3 integration 0 to 3 8 minus 4x square whole dx. So it is equals to 1 by 3. Here integration of 8 is 8x minus 4 into x cube by 3, 0 to 3. So 1 by 3, substitute the upper limit 8 into 3. So it is equals to 1 by 3, 8 3s are 24 minus 3 cube is 27, 27 into 4 is 108 by 3 minus 0. So 1 by 3, here 3 is LCM, 72 minus 108. So it is equals to minus 8 minus 2 6, 10 minus 7 3 minus 36 by 3 into 3. So 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, again 3 ones are 3 4s are 12. So it is equals to minus 4. So now let's find out the RMS value. So that is under root MSV. So under root minus 4. Here root minus 4 can write as a root minus 1 into root 4. Root minus 1 is I and root 4 answer is 2. So 2I is our required answer. Second one, find the RMS value of under root 27 minus 4x square from x equals 0 to x equals to 3. So first find out the MSV value. So B value 3 and A value 0, integration 0 to 3 under root 27 minus 4x square whole square dx. Here square root cancel, 1 by 3 into integration 0 to 3 27 minus 4x square dx. So 1 by 3 27x minus 4 into x cube divided by 3, 0 to 3. So substitute the upper and lower limits. So it is equals to 1 by 3 bracket of 27 3 is a 81. Next to 3 cube by 3 is a 3 square. 3 square means 9, 9 4 is a 36 and minus 0. So 1 by 3, 81 minus 36. Here 5, 7 minus 3, 4, 45. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. So it is equals to 15. So therefore our required answer is RMS, that is under root MSV. So MSV value is 15. So root 15 is our required answer. Third question, find the RMS value of 3 into under root 16 minus x square from x equals to minus 3 to x equals to 2. First find out the MSV value, that is 1 by b minus a, b value 2 and a value minus 3, integration minus 3 to 2 y square 3 into under root 16 minus x square whole square dx. So 1 by 2 minus of minus 2 plus 3, and here 3 square is 9, integration minus 3 to 2, here square root cancel, 16 minus x square dx. 1 by 5, here 9 by 5, here integration of 16 is 16x minus x cube by 3 minus 3 to 2. So it is equals to 9 by 5. Here substitute the upper and lower limits. So it is equals to 9 by 5. 16 2s are 32 minus 2 cube is 8 by 3 minus 16 into minus 3 minus 48. And here minus 3 whole cube is minus 27 by 3. So it is equals to 9 by 5. 32 minus 8 by 3 minus of minus plus 48, 3 1s are 3 9s are minus of minus plus 9, plus 9 into minus is minus 9. So it is equals to 9 by 5, 32 plus 48 80, 80 minus 9 is 71, minus 8 by 3, then 9 by 5. Here 3 is LCM, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, minus 8. So 9 by 5 into 213 minus 8, it's 205 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3s are 5 1s are 5, 40 1s are. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Therefore RMS value is under root MSV. So under root 123 is our required answer. Fourth question, find the RMS value of root log x between the limits x equals to e and x equals to e square. So first the MSV value 1 by b minus a, here b value is e square minus e, integration e to e square, y square means under root log x whole square dx. So 1 by e square minus e, integration e to e square, square root cancel, log x into dx. Now it is equals to 1 by e square minus e, integration e to e square. Here log x can write as a log x into 1 dx. Here apply the u into v formula, that is u into integration v dx minus integration u dash into integration of v dx whole dx. So then 1 by e square minus e, u means here log x into integration 1 dx minus integration d by dx of log x into integration 1 dx whole dx, and the limits are e to e square. So 1 by e square minus e log x into integration 1 dx is x. Here derivative of log x is 1 by x and integration of 1 dx is x whole dx e to e square. So 1 by e square minus e, x log x minus xx cancel, integration of dx is x e to e square. So 1 by e square minus e, substitute the upper limit and lower limit, e square into log e square, and we know that the base is e, minus e square minus lower limit e into log e with base e minus e. So it is equals to 1 by e square minus e, and e square into log e square base e, that is 2 into log e base e, minus e square minus bracket of e into log e base e, answer 1 minus e. So it is equals to 1 by e square minus e. Here e square into 2 into log a base e, answer 1 minus e square minus e minus of minus plus e. Minus e plus e cancel. So 1 by, here we can take the e common, e minus 1, and 2e square minus e square. So 1 by e bracket of e minus 1 into 2e square minus e square is 1 e square. Here square e cancel. So then it is equals to e by e minus 1. This is MSV value. Now we need a RMS value, that is square root of MSV. So square root of e by e minus 1 is our required answer. Fifth question, find the RMS value of under root 16 minus 2x square over interval 0 to 1. So first find out the MSV value, that is 1 by b minus a, b value 1 and a value 0, integration 0 to 1 under root 16 minus 2x square whole square dx. So 1 by 1 square root cancel, integration 0 to 1, 16 minus 2x square whole dx. So it is equals to 16x minus 2x cube by 3, 0 to 1. Substitute the upper and lower limits. Here 16 ones are 16, and here 2 by 3 minus is a total 0. So 3 is LCM, 48 minus 2. So 48 minus 2, 46 by 3. And then RMS value is RMS. So that is under root MSV. So under root 46 divided by 3 is our required answer. 10th question, determine the root mean square value of the function y equals to x into e power x in the range between x equals 0 and x equals to 1. First find out the MSV value, that is mean square value. So 1 by, here b value is 1 and a value is 0, integration 0 to 1 y square, that is x into e power x whole square dx. So it is equals to 1 by 1 integration 0 to 1 x square into e to the power of 2x dx. Here use a Bernoulli's rule. In the Bernoulli's rule, first ILA to E rule. First of all, it is following ILA to E or not. Here x square is algebraic function, e power 2x is exponential function. So here algebraic first, exponential second. So it is following the ILATE rule. Now use a Bernoulli's rule. In the Bernoulli's rule, first u equals to x square, u dash means derivative of u. So u dash equals to 2x, u double dash equals to derivative of u dash. So then u double dash equals to 2. So only two derivatives, because the next derivative answer will be a 0. Next to v equals to e power 2x, v1 means integration of v dx. So that is integration of e power 2x dx. Then v1 equals to e to the power of 2x divided by 2. Next to v2, integration of v1 dx. So integration of e power 2x divided by 2 dx. So v2 equals to 1 by 2 into e power 2x divided by 2 e power 2x divided by 4. So next to v3, equals to integration of v2 dx. So here is a v2 answer. So the answer is e to the power of 2x. So 4 to the 8. Now apply the Bernoulli's rule. So integration u into v dx equals to u into v1 minus u dash into v2 plus u double dash into v3. So integration 0 to 1, here x square into e power 2x dx equals to u means x square, v1 is e power 2x divided by 2 minus u dash, that is 2x, into v2 e power 2x divided by 4, 2x divided by 4 plus u double dash 2 into v3 e power 2x divided by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 twos are x square into e power 2x divided by 2 minus x into e power 2x divided by 2 plus e power 2x divided by 4. Here the limits are 0 to 1. Now substitute the upper and lower limits. So here e square by 2, here also e square by 2, e square by 4 minus is a total 0. Now plus e square by 2 minus e square by 2, e square by 4. Sorry, here not total 0. Here 0 minus 0 plus e power 0 by 4. So e square by 4 minus, here e power 0 answer is 1. So here 1 by 4 will come. Now the LCM is 4, e square minus 1. Therefore our required answer RMS, that is square root of MSV value. So square root of e square minus 1 by 4. So it is square root of e square minus 1 by 2. This is our required answer. 11th bit, first problem. Find the RMS value of x into e power 2x over the interval 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. First find out the MSV value, that is 1 by b minus a integration a to b y square dx. So 1 by, here b value is 1 and a value is 0. So integration 0 to 1 y square means the given curve is x into e power 2x whole square into dx. So 1 by 1 minus 0 is 1, integration 0 to 1. Here we can apply the square for x and for e power 2x. So x square into e power 2x whole square dx. So it is equals to 1 by 1 is 1. So 0 to 1 x square into e power 2x whole square is e power 4x into dx. So here let's apply the Bernoulli's rule. So Bernoulli's rule means integration u into v dx. So it is u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. So dash. So here u means x square is a u. So u dash means d by dx of x square, that is 2x. U double dash, that is d by dx of 2x, that is 2. Now next derivative will become 0, so that is why u double dash is enough. Next to v equals to e power 4x, v1 equals to integration of e power 4x dx. It is equals to e power 4x by 4. v2 equals to integration of v1 dx, integration of e power 4x by 4 dx. So it is equals to e power 4x divided by 4 4s are 16. v3 integration of v2 dx, integration of e power 4x by 16 dx, then the answer is e power 4x divided by 64. Now let's apply the Bernoulli's rule. So integration 0 to 1 x square into e power 4x dx is equals to, first u into v1, u is x square and v1 is e power 4x by 4, minus u dash into v2, u dash is 2x and v2 is e power 4x by 16, plus u double dash into v3, u double dash is 2 into v3 is e power 4x divided by 64. Here 2 ones are 2 8s are 2 ones are 2 32s are. So here limits are 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So x square into e power 4x divided by 4 minus x into e power 4x divided by 8 plus e power 4x divided by 32, 0 to 1. Substitute the limits. First upper limit, so 1 square into e power 4 into 1 divided by 4 minus 1 into e power 4 into 1 divided by 8 plus e power 4 into 1 divided by 32 minus, next to lower limit 0 square into e power 4 into 0 divided by 4. So then it is equals to e power 4 by 4 minus e power 4 by 8 plus e power 4 by 32 minus here 0 minus 0 plus e power 0 by 32. So it is equals to here e power 4 by 4 minus e power 4 by 8 plus e power 4 by 32 minus e power 0 1 by 32. Now the LCM is 32 is LCM. 32 in 4 table 8 is 8 into e power 4. Next to 4 into e power 4 plus e power 4 minus 1. So it is equals to 8 e power 4 minus 4 e power 4 is 4 e power 4. 4 e power 4 plus e power 4 is 5 e power 4 minus 1 by 32. Minus 1 by 32. So then RMS value is under root MSV. So what is the MSV value? 5 e power 4 minus 1 by 32. Second question, x square into e power 2x over the interval 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. So 1 by b value 1, a value 0, 1 by 0 integration 0 to 1 y square dx. So x square into e power 2x whole square dx. So it is equals to 1 by 1 integration 0 to 1. Here x to the power of 4 into e to the power of 4x dx. So now use a Bernoulli's rule. Here first u means x to the power of 4. Next u dash means derivative of x to the power of 4. So that is 4x cube. Next u double dash derivative of 4x cube. 4 3s are 12x square. U triple dash equals to d by dx of 12x square. That is 12 2s are 24x. Next to u fourth order derivative, that is d by dx of 24x equals to 24. Next to v equals to e to the power of 4x, then v1 equals to integration of e to the power of 4x dx, so it is e to the power of 4x divided by 4. Next to v2 equals to integration of v1 dx, so that is e to the power of 4x by 16. v3 equals to integration of v2 dx, that is e to the power of 4x divided by 64. v4 equals to integration of v3 dx, so that is e to the power of 4x divided by 256. So v5 equals to integration of v4 dx, so that is e to the power of 4x divided by 1024. Now use the Bernoulli's rule. So e to the power of x to the power of 4 e to the power of 4x dx, and the limits are 0 to 1. It is equals to u value x to the power of 4 into v1 value, that is e to the power of 4x divided by 4, minus u dash v2. U dash is 4x cube into v2 is e to the power of 4x by 16 plus u double dash into v3, that is 12x square into 12x square into e to the power of 4x divided by 64 minus u triple dash into v4, that is 24x into e to the power of 4x divided by 256 plus u fourth order derivative, that is 24 into v5. v5 means here, what is a v5? E to the power of 4x divided by 1024. And the limits are 0 to 1. So it is equals to x to the power of 4 into e to the power of 4x divided by 4. Here 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. X cube into e to the power of 4x divided by 4 plus here 4 3s are 12, 4 16s are 64, so 3x square into e to the power of 4x by 16 minus actually here 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16, so 3x into e to the power of 4x divided by 32 plus next to 8 3s are 24, here 8 1s are 8, 2 remainder, next is it 2, 8 2s are 16, 6 remainder, next to 4, 8 8s are 64. So here 3 into e to the power of 4x divided by 128, 0 to 1. Now substitute the upper and lower limits. So now let's simplify this answer. It is equals to e to the power of 4 by 4 minus e to the power of 4 by 4 plus 3 into e to the power of 4 by 16 minus 3 into e to the power of 4 by 32 plus 3 into e to the power of 4 by 128 minus 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus 3 into e to the power of 0, 4 into 0 is a 0 by 128. So it is equals to here plus minus both are cancelled. 3 into e to the power of 4 by 16 minus 3 into e to the power of 4 by 32 plus 3 into e to the power of 4 by 128 minus here 3 into e to the power of 0, answer is 1, so minus 3 by 128. So here let's take the LCM. 128 is the LCM. 128 in 16 table. 16 8s are 128, 8 3s are 24 e to the power of 4. Next 128 in 32 table is 4s are 4 3s are 12 into e to the power of 4. Here 3 into e to the power of 4 minus 3. So now 24 plus 3 27. 27 minus 12 is 15 e to the power of 4 minus 3 divided by 128. So therefore our required answer is RMS is a required answer, that is under root of MSV. So what is the MSV value? 15 into e to the power of 4 minus 3 divided by 128 is our required answer. So here in the numerator we can take the 3 common. 3 5s are e to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by 128. Third question, x square into e power x over the interval 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. So MSV value is 1 by b minus a 1 minus 0 integration 0 to 1 x square into e power x whole square dx. So 1 by 1 minus 0 is 1 integration 0 to 1 x to the power of 4 into e power 2x dx. Let us apply the Bernoulli's rule. In the Bernoulli's rule, u is x to the power of 4 and u dash means derivative of u, that is x to the power of 4, it is equals to 4x cube. U double dash equals to d by dx of 4x cube, that is 12x square. U triple dash equals to d by dx of 12x square, 12 to the 24x, and fourth order derivative is d by dx of 24x, that is 24. Next v equals to e to the power of 2x, then v1 equals to integration of e power 2x dx, it is equals to e power 2x by 2. v2 equals to integration of v1 dx, so that is e power 2x divided by 4. v3 equals to integration of v2 dx, that is e power 2x divided by 4 to the 8. v4 equals to integration of v3 dx, that is e power 2x by 16. v5 equals to integration of v4 dx, that is e power 2x by 32. Now apply the Bernoulli's rule. So that is integration 0 to 1 x to the power of 4 e power 2x dx equals to u into v1, that is x to the power of 4 into v1 is e power 2x divided by 2 minus u dash into v2. U dash is 4x cube into v2 is e power 2x divided by 4 plus u double dash into v3, that is 12x square into u double dash into v3 value e power 2x divided by 8, e power 2x divided by 8. Next to minus u triple dash, that is 24x into v4 e power 2x divided by 16. Next to plus fourth order derivative 24 into e power 2x divided by 32, and the limits are 0 to 1. So it is equals to x to the power of 4 into e power 2x divided by 2 minus 4 cancel, x cube into e power 2x plus 4 to the 8, 4 3 is 3x square into e power 2x divided by 2 minus 8 to the 16, 8 3 is 24, 3x into e power 2x divided by 2. Next 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 3 into e power 2x divided by 4, 0 to 1. Now substitute the upper and lower limits. So let us simplify the here. What is that? E square divided by 2 minus e square plus 3e square by 2 minus 3e square by 2 plus 3e square by 4 minus 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus 3 into e power 0 by 4. So it is equals to plus 3e square by 2 minus 3e square by 2 cancel, e square by 2 minus e square plus 3e square by 4, 3e square by 4 minus here minus 3 by 4, because here e power 0 answer is 1. So it is equals to here the LCM is 4, 2e square minus 4e square plus 3e square minus 3. So 2e square minus 4e square minus 2e square minus 2e square plus 3e square is plus e square. So plus e square minus 3 by 4. So this is a MSV value, e square minus 3 by 4. Now our required answer is RMS, that is under root of MSV. So it is under root of e square minus 3 by 4. Then it is a square root of e square minus 3 by 2 is our required answer. 12th question, find the RMS value of log x over the range x equals to 1 to x equals to e. So 1 by b minus a e minus 1 integration 1 to e y square, that means log x whole square dx. So 1 by e minus 1 integration 1 to e log x whole square into 1 dx. So here apply the u into v formula, that is u into v dx equals to u into integration v dx minus integration u dash into integration v dx whole dx. So here 1 by e minus 1, here u means log x whole square, v means 1 minus integration d by dx of log x whole square integration v means 1 dx whole dx. So it is equals to 1 by e minus 1, here log x whole square integration of 1 dx is x minus derivative of log x whole square is 2 into log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x into derivative of integration of 1 dx is x whole dx. Here x cancel, 1 by e minus 1, here limits are 1 to e, x into log x whole square minus 2 into integration log x into 1 dx 1 to e. So it is equals to 1 by e minus 1 x into x into log x whole square minus 2 into, here once again apply the u into v formula, that is u into, u means log x into 1 dx minus integration d by dx of log x into integration 1 dx whole dx. The limits are 1 to e. So it is equals to 1 by e minus 1 x into log x whole square minus 2 bracket of log x into x minus integration of log x is 1 by x into derivative of log x is 1 by x, integration of 1 dx is x dx 1 to e. Here x cancel, 1 by e minus 1 x into log x whole square minus 2 into x into log x minus integration of 1 dx is x 1 to e. So it is equals to 1 by e minus 1 by e minus 1 x into log x whole square minus 2x into log x minus into minus plus 2x plus 2x, and the limits are 1 to e. So let's substitute the limits. 1 by e minus 1, first upper limit e into log e. So log e means actually here logarithm base will be a e whole square minus 2 into e into log e with base e plus 2 into e. Next minus lower limit 1 into log 1 whole square minus 2 into 1 into log 1 plus 2 into 1. It is equals to 1 by e minus 1 e into log e base e is 1, so 1 square minus 2 into e into log e base e is 1 plus 2e. So minus log 1 value 0 minus here log 1 value 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2. So it is equals to 1 by e minus 1, here e minus 2e plus 2e minus 2, minus 2e plus 2e cancel, e minus 2 divided by e minus 1 is a MSV value. Now RMS value, that is square root of MSV, so it is under root of e minus 2 divided by e minus 1. This is our required answer. 13th question, find the RMS value of the expression a plus b sin theta over the interval 0 to 2 pi. So here MSV value we need first of all 1 by b minus a into integration a to b y square into dx. So it is equals to 1 by b value is 2 pi and a value is 0, so 0 to 2 pi. So y square, that is a plus b into sin theta whole square. Here the expression is given in the theta, then we can take the d theta. So 1 by 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi. Here apply the a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta d theta So 1 by 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi here a square plus b square sine square theta. Here actually cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. From this the sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So here we can substitute 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 plus 2ab sin theta d theta. So it is equals to 1 by 2 pi. Here integration of a square is a square theta plus b square by 2 is constant. Integration of 1 is theta minus integration of cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta by 2 sin 2 theta by 2 bracket close plus 2ab into integration of sin theta is minus cos theta and the limits are 0 to 2 pi. It is equals to 1 by 2 pi. Here a square into theta. Here b square by 2 multiply inside b square theta by 2 minus b square into sin 2 theta by 4 minus 2ab into cos theta 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi. Then it is equals to 1 by 2 pi integration, substitute the upper and lower limits. So it is equals to 1 by 2 pi bracket of here a square into 2 pi a square plus here 2 cancel b square pi minus b square by 4 into sine 2 into 2 pi is sine 4 pi, its value is 0. So 0 into b square by 4 is a total 0. Okay. Next to minus 2ab into cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi value is 1 minus here a square into 0 0 plus b square into 0 by 2 is 0 minus b square by 4 into sine 2 into 0 sine 0 is a 0 and here cos 0 is a 1, so minus 2ab. So 1 by 2 pi bracket of 2 pi a square plus b square pi minus b square by 4 into 0 is 0, here minus 2ab. Next here minus of minus plus 2ab. Here total 3 terms are zeros. So minus 2ab plus 2ab cancel. So 1 by 2 pi. Here we can take the pi common. So 2a square plus b square. Then pi cancel. 2a square plus b square by 2 is a MSV value. So now our required answer is RMS. So it is square root of MSV. So that is square root of 2a square plus b square by 2. This is our required answer. 14th question, find the RMS value of the current I equals to A into sin x over a half wave. So actually the graph of sin x, that means A sin x, is this is a graph of sin x. Here 0, here it is a pi, and here is a 2 pi. This is a one wave, one complete wave, 0 to 2 pi. He said half wave. Half wave means 0 to pi. So the limits are 0 to pi. So MSV value 1 by b minus a integration a to b y square dx. So here b value pi and a value 0, integration 0 to pi y square. Y square means here I square dx. That means a into sin x whole square dx. So 1 by pi integration 0 to pi, here a square into sin square x dx. But actually cos 2x formula 1 minus 2 sin square x. So from this sin square x formula 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So here 1 by pi integration 0 to pi a square into 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. So it is equals to 1 by pi. Here a square is a constant, a square by 2 is a constant, so integration of 1 is x and integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2, 0 to pi. So it is equals to a square by 2 pi. Substitute the upper and lower limit, pi in pi minus sin 2 pi divided by 2 minus lower limit 0 minus sin 2 into 0 by 2. So it is equals to a square by 2 pi, pi minus sin 2 pi value 0, 0 by 2 minus 0 minus sin 2 into 0, sin 0, 0 by 2. So it is equals to a square by 2 pi. So here pi cancel, it is equals to a square by 2. Now the required answer is RMS. So that is under root of MSV. So it is under root of a square by 2. So a by root 2 is our required answer.